Another industry is our pharmaceutical industries. You got products like BC headache powders. They also have a very high affinity for moisture. Gel caplets, those gel caplets are coated with a liquid, just like your candy. You ever have candy where it has a wrapper around it? If it's humid outside, it gets stuck to that coating. Chocolates, again, a food processing kind of application. With regards to pharmaceuticals, the stamping of some of those products, effervescence, those products are stamped, and if the stamp is housed in an environment that's too dry, the product will crack. Or if you have that product stamped in an environment that's too humid, the product will actually get stuck to the bottom of the die. It's got to be very precise to be able to make sure that those products are manufactured in a very efficient way. And then throughput. We don't want to have product defects or product quality issues. Maintaining a proper level of humidity is very important.